It's fine. We won't waste time. Zito.com. I am from a company which since 1978 has been producing drinking water processing or cleaning equipment. You can see Tifa here. That was actually some equipment for a gym. Sometimes people get confused with us. What we're actually doing. I don't obviously have long, so I will have to try to summarize. Why am I here today? To tell you about the equipment we have for cleaning drinking water. We take water from, as you might know, the aqueducts. We saw them earlier on. This equipment is fundamental to the provision of clean water. Italy is one of the major consumers of mineral water, and people are actually preaching to the converted and saying we don't want to see plastic bottles of water anymore, so we want rid of all these bottles of mineral water, especially the plastic ones. It's not the mineral water that we mind because it's a natural product, but it is actually beneficial to people. But the point is that it's packaged in plastic bottles, and therefore it's not just a question of water for particular therapeutic purposes. It's important for us to continue to have a water and in a pure form, and to realize that it shouldn't be being moved around the entire European Union, indeed the entire world, on the road, because people think that water in bottles is better than the water that we can get close to hand from fountains, etc. And at 2 steps from our front door, we can get water that's just as good. So this is drinking water, which we treat. We treat it if necessary, and in the way that's necessary. We don't do a great deal to it, to be perfectly honest. In aesthetic terms, most of it is as it is. We remove any possible bad taste or bad smell which it has acquired through being in the pipes, and we then provide it for consumption either cold or sometimes also with gas in it. We have bacteriological treatments, and we've then worked on marketing the water. We use naturization as our term. We've patented it. I'm sure you can't see the slide very clearly, but I can really just invite you to look on our website and see exactly how and why our equipment's been patented. It's very important to understand that this is a system that is suited to domestic homes, to restaurants, to public spaces, and also to public squares. The fountains that we customarily have had in squares in Italy, and we've had very good results from this. I don't remember exactly what the statistics say in terms of results, but I do know that we had some 200 fountains installed in Italy, and over the course of some 8 years we have provided some 80 million litres of water, and this has saved a huge amount of environmental pollution, CO2 emissions saved from not transporting the water around the country or the world, CO2 and other emissions from transport, CO2 emissions from the packaging and the production of the packaging, because all that produces environmental pollution we're not even aware of. So right from the grassroots, this production of this product, we want to make the alternative choice the good choice and the right choice. So all I can do is urge you to look on the website, and you will see all the statistics there. I'd like to thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to take the floor here and give you this message and promote awareness of what is a very valuable project. And here is a photograph of somebody who spent, Dr. Ferracci, who spent absolutely hours compiling all the statistics, even if I haven't had time to present them to you. Thank you very much indeed, Andrea. We'll make available all the information on the Ecofuturo's website, and obviously it will also be available on Facebook.
Li renderemo tutti disponibili.
It will all be available on the website.